In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in ScotiaConnect account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link www.1.scottiaconnect.scotiabank.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Scotiabank. From this interface, you'll be able to directly log into the ScotiaConnect. All you have to do is enter the user ID and password over here. So click on the field of user ID and enter the user ID over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to reset it. Likewise, you can also click on this option, recover credentials, and you'll be able to recover the credentials. Now after you do that, if you want this browser to remember your user ID, simply check on this box that you can see on the screen. Now click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be signed in to ScotiaConnect. So that is how you log in ScotiaConnect account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.